Hey YouTube, this is my GPRSR pocket bike, and I kind of have the Nos Energy theme kind of going.
Hey YouTube, this is my Nos Pocket Bike 2.5. Can you believe it's been 10 years? Since I'm still building pocket bikes for you guys to this day, I knew with the 10-year anniversary finally here for the Nos Pocket Bike that started my YouTube channel. That was my very first video. It just blew up, and ever since then I've been at it, making more and more bikes for you guys. So this is what I came up with. Before we get into all the cool features of the brand new bike, NewAir contacted me because they knew the 10-year anniversary was coming up for Nos Pocket Bike. They decided to send me over one of their top-of-the-line mini fridges. I knew right when I got the fridge that I wanted it to match the bike. So we went ahead and wrapped it with orange carbon fiber and threw on the blue stripes just like the bike. This bad boy holds 126 cans. It's got a modern glass door that not only looks good, but also allows you to see how much stock you have left. It's got a set of keys so you can lock the goods inside, keep them away from anyone you want. And I've been keeping this in my shop while building the bike, and it's just been a dream. I encourage everyone to go to that first link in the description and use promo code 20Desbiens to get 20% off your order with NewAir. So we're in the same location where we filmed the original Nos Pocket Bike 10 years ago, and we even have the same cameraman.
Hey, it's Nobble.
So the reason why it's called the Nos Pocket Bike 2.5 now is because this is a Blada 2.5. Alright, so let's start with the paint job. I decided to go with the standard orange for all the plastic pieces, for the body up here and the front fender up there. To spice it up a little bit, I added these stripes with our vinyl paper, and I added a little bit of protectant around the fuel cap so that it's not going to damage the actual orange paint over time. This can be a problem with pocket bikes sometimes. As far as the other painting goes, I did metallic blue on the frame and all the coupling pieces, and I actually hand painted the Blada B right here, and I filled it with standard paint and sanded it down until it was flush and really showed off the B. So I also painted the chain guard just a nice factory color. I kind of restored the sprocket, painted up the pull starter, nice gloss black. Before this was silver. This is the upgraded metal one. And I added the kickstand because this bike did not have a kickstand before. Kept the original foot pegs down here, the Blada ones. I thought that was only right. And I went ahead and switched up the handle grips. This is the same brand actually, but I got some that matched the color scheme of the bike. I did replace the brake right here. This is a solid metal one. The Blada one was alright, but it was plastic. This engine has every upgrade that you can do for the Chinese 47cc engines. It even has the full circle crank. So it has the big bore kit, it has the Dylon carburetor, the clutch is upgraded, and it has the rocket key installed. We did a whole video series on building this engine, and we ended up testing it on an engine stand. You guys seem to really like that series, so I threw it on the bike for now, but 10 years later, I pretty much know what the 47cc Chinese engines can do as far as performance. I want you guys to give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see me electric swap this bike right here to get some real Tesla power going. I'm talking blowing the 47cc Chinese engine high speed numbers out of the water and really see what we can do. I've never did it before, but I really want to give it a try, so let me know if you guys are interested in that. Just like with the original Nos Pocket Bike, I knew I had to customize the tire valves again. So instead of hand painting some dice, I went with some LED tire valves. These things light up blue and give a halo effect when the bike is moving. Going to the front of the bike for more lights, I added this big Tron light bar. Rather than going with the traditional horizontal mount, I went with the vertical mount, and this thing will really shine through the night if you're wanting to take that night ride. So no t-shirts or bed foam for the seat on this one. I just went with some traditional foam with adhesive on the back. I cut it out to the size I liked and also added this diamond for the back part of the seat. Now for my favorite part of the bike, these two guys right here. I ran into this seller on eBay after searching around for some Nos bottles that would be good for this bike. You know, I needed something small so it didn't look too ridiculous on such a small frame and everything. And this guy sells artificial Nos bottles. So the valves right here are totally legit. They actually open up like a real valve would. You can customize the color of your bottle. You can customize your line color. Pretty much anything you want. The size of the bottles, he's got a bunch of different variations. You can even set up the bottle for an optional boost system if you want to. Set it up with the engine to actually create more performance. I mean, look at the stickers. You can't get much more detailed than this. These things are completely legit. They're lightweight. They come with these mounting plates back here. So you're able to pretty much mount them to any surface. And I mean, I couldn't ask for a better top off as far as the official Nos Pocket Bike 2.5 goes. Here's his business card, and check out his store in the description. He was really easy to work with. Super nice guy. He's worked on movies like The Fast and Furious and just countless other projects, and these things really just topped off the bike. Hope everyone enjoyed Nos Pocket Bike 2.5. Let me know your thoughts below. Should we engine swap it? Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.